I have 2 little girls and a job, so my life is very busy. Living with diabetes makes it even busier. When I had to stop to check my glucose by pricking my finger many times a day, it was painful. I'd get nervous if I went too long without checking. It felt overwhelming. But now I use the FreeStyle Libre system. It takes away the pain and worry of checking my glucose. With a quick scan, I can check all the time. I feel I can finally focus on the things that matter most in my life.
Getting started couldn't be easier. Setup is quick. Just watch Helen. When you open your new FreeStyle Libre reader kit, you'll find the quick start guide, the reader, the user's manual, a USB cable, and power adapter. First, take the reader out of the box. The unit comes already charged. Then press the blue Home button to turn on your reader. It's the only button. All other actions are done on the touchscreen. You can set the current date using the arrows on the touchscreen. Tap Next to continue. Now you can set the current time. Tap Next to continue. Next, you can set your target glucose range based on your healthcare professional's recommendation. Your target glucose range is displayed on glucose graphs on the reader and used to calculate your time in target. Tap Next to continue. Finally, the reader will lead you through 2 informational screens about reading the trend arrows and how to return to the home screen. Read each to finish the setup. Now your setup is done. How easy was that? Putting on the sensor is just as easy. The FreeStyle Libre sensor kit comes in 2 parts, the sensor applicator and the sensor pack. It also contains an alcohol wipe and product insert. Select the site on the back of your upper arm, where you will clean it and let it dry. Peel the lid completely off of the sensor pack and unscrew the cap from the sensor applicator. Place the sensor applicator into the open sensor pack and line up the dark mark on the applicator with the mark on the pack. Then press down firmly on the sensor applicator until it comes to a stop. Lift the sensor applicator out of the sensor pack. Simply place the sensor applicator over the site you cleaned with the alcohol wipe. Push down firmly until the sensor is in place. Make sure the sensor is secure after application. All that's left is to start the sensor. Just press the blue Home button to turn on your reader. Tap Start New Sensor on the screen. An image of a hand holding the reader next to a sensor on the arm will appear. Hold the reader within 4 centimeters of the sensor to scan it. If sounds are turned on, the reader beeps when the sensor has been successfully activated. Helen can get her first glucose reading in an hour. Why prick when you can scan?